This video is to show you how to use the debt consolidation calculator and see how much you can save by consolidating credit cards, installment loans, car loans, student loans, or any other loans. The first thing we're going to start off with is we're going to put in your mortgage balance. You can round the number up. I'm going to start with $350,000. And then we're going to go over right here to your current payment and principal interest. And it's important that you only put the principal and interest. If you currently impound your account, you'll find that you can find this number on your statement. We need to make sure that we're comparing apples to apples. We're going to say that the principal and interest payment is $1,500. Now, there's only 3 credit card balance slots, but you may have more than 3 credit cards. So I suggest lumping them together. I'm going to lump in 2 American Expresses and both of those minimum payments. Then I'm going to go in and lump in a Capital One card. I'm just simply putting numbers in here that are average numbers for average credit card balances. Remember, right now, as of the last day of January of 2024, your APR on your credit card is around 30%. So we're going to do 700. You know what? We'll go 600. Okay. And then we'll put in, maybe you bought some furniture and it's a really high. So we'll go 250. So we've got about $40,000 in credit card debt we're adding here. And let's suppose you have some loan, any kind of installment loan. And the difference between a credit card is it's a revolving line of credit. And an installment loan has a start date and an end date, and it's amortized over an interest rate. So you have a fixed payment. And if you pay that fixed payment over a certain amount of time, the balance is 0. But maybe that payment's a little high. So let's just take a high interest a car loan. Let's take that. And let's say that you owe $17,000 on a car loan, but the payment is $700 a month. Okay, now this is the part that's the most interesting about this calculator. As you know, interest rates are going to come down. So what we'll want to do is that let's see what a debt consolidation refi would look like at 5.5%, taking into consideration all of these numbers. So we know what your payments are. We know what your mortgage balance is. Hit calculate. And as you can see, so this would be your new loan amount, hypothetically, and this would be your monthly savings. So your new payment is now $2,336. So you were paying $1,500, but now your payment, your total savings is $2,113, or more than $25,000 a year. And for some people, this is a real benefit. Now you can go and select where you think it's most comfortable for you to let go of your first mortgage that you have. So feel free, go here, play around, put your numbers in. We're always here for any help that you need. Appreciate everything about supporting LBL Mortgage. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.